So if you're watching this video, that means you may be on the hunt for a new camera case for your DSLR, your mirrorless, maybe your cinema camera, maybe just your camera equipment, but you want it to go on the go. Well, this video is specifically about what I have inside of my Nanuk 935 waterproof carry-on case. This is a case that I was super excited to get. I got it because I didn't ever have like a Pelican case or anything, a hard protective case for my camera or my lenses. And then I got the opportunity to travel to Chicago on a business trip to shoot some really funny stuff, but I didn't have a case for, my equipment. So I went on Amazon and I was looking for a camera case, and I was in luck when I came across this Nanuk 935 waterproof case. A lot of people do unboxing videos. I've done unboxing videos. I was, gonna do one on this case, and I actually started one and I began it. But unfortunately, the other memory card that had the footage on got corrupted. So here is a short clip of the unboxing of this case. I went to Amazon.com and got this Nanuk 935 waterproof carry-on case that is hard shell, and it is an exciting case that's gonna hold my camera equipment. You can carry it on to planes, it's the right size, it has the dimensions right on the box. This is how it comes. It says right here, waterproof, impact resistant, lifetime guarantee. So if you like this type of content and want to watch more of it, be sure to subscribe below, maybe like this video, throw me a comment. You'll be able to stay posted in my content creating world. It's a wild, wild world. I figured if you're buying this case, you want to see what the use of this case is like when you've been using it. So this video is going to be kind of, showing off the case to you guys, seeing what it's all about, and then showing you the inside of the case and how I've displayed it and how I'm using it along my journey. In this case, I have a lid organizer, so I know there's a few different options on Amazon, whether you can get the lid organizer or not. I opted for the lid organizer and the padded dividers, which is one of the options you can kind of pick and choose. It obviously has a bunch of different colors on there. I think there's a blue, black, there's a graphite, there's a silver, there's yellow. There's a few other colors on there. I opted for the orange because I like the way it pops, and I'm a big fan of the color orange. I'm a Halloween addict, baby. What can I say? And now I've been using this case for about 6 weeks here. I've been taking it on the road. I took it to Northern California. I took it to Chicago. I traveled with it. It's honestly a very sturdy case, and it's really portable. Honestly, when they say it's carry-on, they nailed it, man. This thing is a perfect carry-on. You can obviously, has the roller. It's a nice, perfect style with that. This is a case I'm super happy I purchased. I use it pretty much on every shoot I go on right now because it's really portable, just even getting around town. Obviously it has some scuffs at this point right here, and that's bound to happen. That's why maybe you opt for a black one. It's gonna prevent the scuffs a little bit. And yeah, I mean, that's the outside. The wheels, honestly, I was a little worried the wheels might not be very good because, you can get like wheels on suitcases or these roller bags that are kind of janky. These wheels, honestly, are very sturdy. I haven't had any issues with them yet. They're really made for like, off, not the normal sidewalk. You can really take them off-road a little bit. Get a little crazy, as I like to say. Go off-road with your camera equipment. But let's dive in, let's show you the inside. It's not light too, which I kind of like because makes me think that my stuff is a little more protected. But let's dive into the inside, folks. So this is what I got inside. As you can see, this is the lid organizer. Behind the lid organizer, I got a little compartment right there. I keep my XLR cable back there. I have some of the other padded dividers. Normally I would put my camera in this compartment. I would, I got a lens right here. I could probably put another lens here. I've carried a few different lenses in this. I have some gaff tape. I have this. It holds a good amount. I'm pretty happy with what it holds. I think honestly, I thought it could hold maybe more. But for what I need it for, I think it's good. I think if you are if you have a lot more camera equipment, like you're a solo director of photography, I don't know if this is the right case for you. This might be like a good extra case with your other stuff because it's not that roomy. For me, I do a lot of my shoots are guerrilla style, like smaller scale stuff. So I only really need a couple lenses and like a DSLR, DSLR mirrorless, like one camera. I have my recorder in here. I feel like it's pretty safe and protected. I don't think the padding is necessarily the best padding. And sometimes I worry with the lid organizer and there's nothing really protecting the top of my gear with my camera. So I try not to put anything too aggressively hard on top of the camera side, at least on the lid organizer. The lid organizer zippers, I've had issues with these. Like within the first week I got them, you know, when the zippers like split, that happened to like all three of the zippers. I had to fix them myself through a YouTube video, you know, ironically enough. Hey. No, but I think these, I mean, it's a good, I'm glad I got the lid organizer because I can put my batteries here, I put my ND filter up here, I put some rechargeable batteries, and it just gives me a little extra storage space for the smaller little odds and ends. But the zippers are kind of like not the best zippers, and like the quality of it's kind of low quality, which isn't the worst thing, but I did expect a little better quality of the lid organizer. Considering the zippers broke the first day, but that's not that big a deal because they're easy to fix. But I do like having the little hidden compartment back here with the XLR cables, so it's nice that they still have that little compartment. I just wish there was a little more padding for the top of my equipment. That's why I still keep my lens in the case because I don't like to just put the lens open like that because it might bounce around a little bit. But for what I need it for, and if you are kind of a small scale shooter that, you know, shoots on the go, you know, and you need to carry, you know, a camera, maybe a couple lenses, your recording equipment, this is perfect. This is a perfect camera. I was even able to get a tripod in here because I had like a portable tripod. That was really nice. And honestly, I think it looks pretty slick. So Nanuk did a good job. I haven't owned that many camera cases. I was more of a backpack camera guy for a while. I actually have an old video I did last year where it was like, what's in my camera bag? And now it's like, what's in my camera case? You know, you see what I mean? So that is with the Nanuk 935. And I'm telling you, the big claim to fame on their Amazon link is that it's waterproof. And guys, it's waterproof. All right, I'm gonna test that out for you right now. Watch this, guys. When I say waterproof, I mean it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hey, water ain't getting inside of this case, as the Amazon link says. Again, if you are looking for a camera case that is durable, strong, portable, gonna be able to carry just enough equipment for like small scale shoots, maybe a couple lenses, your camera, little recording setup, this is the case to get. I really like this case. It was really affordable. I got it at about 250 bucks. I think currently it's like a 400 if you go online because I think the demand and, you know, the supply chain and all that jazz that is above my pay grade. But I think it is a little more money now, but I do recommend this case. I'm sure Pelican cases are amazing too. I just haven't had that many Pelican cases, so I'm sure Pelican has a similar case. But Pelican does have that little more of an expensive name. So, you know, if you're looking for an affordable case that's smaller, or even if you are a cinema director of photography that has a ton of equipment, but you need a side case for maybe your lenses, this would be a great case as well. I really like this case. It's really portable, compact, and it's been great for me. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you are looking for the Nanuk 935 case, let me know if you have any questions on it. It's really been great for me. It came really short amount of time, and I'm excited for you guys to maybe purchase it if you're looking for it. I have a link below to get to the product, so check it out if you are interested in this product. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more videos about camera equipment, camera accessories, learn about me. You can dive into some of the sketches I make as well. There's a variety of things that happen on this channel, and I hope that you can be a part of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.